promoting digital products is similar to promoting the physical products, with a few differences. When you're promoting digital products, try to show the sales page on the video and provide some comments about the sales page. For example, if you find the sales page to be a little too hyped up or a little too hypey, you could mention that. But also mention the quality and the features of the product that are on the sales page, and also try to read some of the testimonials that are on the sales page. Also, try to tell viewers what the upgrades are. So this information should be available on the JV page. And to give people an incentive to click on your affiliate link, try to create some bonuses. You don't have to make the bonuses yourself, but you could just use private label rights content and use that as bonuses. Okay. You should also try to show the viewers the members area. So you should try to get a review copy if you can, and if you cannot, just purchase the product, and customers will see that you actually took the time to review the product. And tell them all the things that you'll like about the product, and mention a couple of things that you dislike, because like I said in the other video, if you mention what the weaknesses are or what you do not like about the product, people will respect your review more, and they'll see that you're being honest.